This is our library, or we called it as Porok ng Sampayan. Our library is so small that can't handle the 400 learners. Our school is near the seashore, and during high tide, kasagaran maabot jud ang tubig diri. So manang usahay kay kanang dili kay siya masudlan. Amo ang books is limited lang gid siya. Mo nang ang mga teachers diri is naga-print para ibutang sa amo ang library.
Kami mag-aaral sa Tanglad Elementary School ay nasa salitan sa paggamit nito.
The Library and Multimedia Learning Center of Tanglad Elementary School is one of the signature projects of the Rotary Club of Downtown Davao, focusing on basic education and literacy. Upon evaluation, it became evident that the school, particularly the young students, need a cohesive, safe, and contemporary learning environment to advance literacy and education, cater to diverse digital learning preferences, address educational inequalities, and foster a love for learning. The primary objective of this project is to enhance students' reading and literacy abilities by granting them with access to a wide array of books and educational resources. The incorporation of multimedia tools and technology is intended to furnish learners with vital digital competencies, engage students effectively, and accommodate various learning methodologies, thereby making the learning process more interactive and enjoyable. The center provides a welcoming environment where all young learners can feel secure and valued, promoting educational equity and encouraging students to cultivate a fondness for reading and exploration.
Salamat sa Rotary Club Downtown Davao. Niligot og daghan yung basa na bagong libro.
In essence, this project aims to empower the students of Tanglad Elementary School by equipping them with the necessary skills and resources for success, thereby preparing them for a promising future ahead.